I saw these out for garbage and somewhere, and there's what they are. And what does it look like? Probably an 8-inch, I'm guessing. Seem to be decent shape. I mean, they're definitely sun faded probably, but hey, they were free. So the shop seemed like a good spot for these. I actually have a cord. I used to do back when I was in high school, 20 years ago, I used to do the football games, basketball games, and all that. So I actually had a cable. It was just one I made up that I carried around. I had my own equipment, and so I dug that up, and we're gonna hook that up to my stereo here in the shop, and we'll space these as far apart as the cord that I have will reach, and we'll see how they sound, see if they work, and test them out. So let me get them hooked up. I guess we'll go over my current setup. Get those techniques, however you want to call it. They've got 12-inch woofers, and I can't remember if they're 3-way or 4-way. And then over in the corner, I don't really use those very often, but those are hooked up on the surround sound side of it. It doesn't sound that great, but they're hooked up. And then here, if it's in surround sound, I picked this up at a garage sale. He only had one of them. I think he was using it as a monitor. So I only have one of those. So that's the center channel for surround sound. And then we got the other Technics. And then over in that corner, that other speaker, which the surround sound doesn't sound that great. It puts like an echo effect on it. Really don't use that very often. And so this one really doesn't get used much either. But those are the A channel speakers. We're gonna hook up those others to B channel. And we'll probably end up being able to get them, I don't know, not too far apart, but because our cord's not that long. There it is. Already got one of them hooked up. I'm gonna hook the other one up. I made these up years and years and years and years ago, over 20 years ago. I need to clean them up. And yeah, it is extension cord, and the reason I did that is because I wanted a heavier material or a heavier wire to carry these things around, and I had it. You know, I was a teenager. So that's what I made up, and they're still good 20 years later, I think. But I'm gonna clean that up, and we'll hook these up, test them out. All right, that's what we got. So I could have went further. My cord was long enough so I could have gotten about half the distance between that and the other speaker, but that cable is in the way, and so I had to stop at the cable. Eventually I would like to extend those out and put them further, but for now they're okay right there. So let's test them out. We're gonna go to speakers B. We're gonna turn surround sound off, and let's go with speakers A. They've got a better sound to them. And how we're going to run them is A and B. And crank the volume up. Put it in surround mode. center level's a little high. We're in Dolby. And that's it. So, pretty good. Let's see. Let's round off. And we're on there. Bass, treble, balance. Okay. Alright, that's it. They work, they were free, and we're going to use them. So, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more. Hey, and let me know down below the best free stuff you found. This is not the best free that I've found, but it's definitely a good one. So let me know down below.